Sean, there are so many reasons why people just stop the cycle of trying to diet to lose weight and they go out and they seek professional help. Sometimes it's good to have somebody there who's been through it before to guide you along the way and get results.
Doug Zuko has not only gotten results for him, but he's gotten results for a whole bunch of great clients as well over at Fast Fit Body
Yep.
Sculpting. He's the owner, he's the founder, and he's joining us now. How are you there, Doug?
I am fantastic. How about you guys?
Doing well. We're hanging in. We're
Great.
doing all right. Let's talk about this. I mean, obviously, losing weight is a struggle that a lot of people have. So, what is like? Give me a reason why a typical person comes into Fast Fit.
Well, we basically have two types of people. And here's the first person, the person I really love when they come in, because their people have done the research. They have done all the research, and they realize what technology does, and they sort of understand what we do before they come in. So it's very simple for them. But other people come in out of pure frustration and emotional pain. They've tried dieting before, and it didn't work for them. They've tried exercise, but strenuous exercise just wasn't sustainable, and they got little or no results. And really, the things, once we're middle aged or older, the things we are taught about how to lose fat or lose weight really just doesn't work.
Yeah.
So I'd just like to share with you, you know, the reason, some of the reasons are people telling me, why they were coming into fast food.
Okay.
All right.
So, big reasons when they look in the mirror, it just, the vision just doesn't match what they think they're going to see.
Yeah.
They don't like it. The clothes, the clothes don't fit them anymore.
Mhm.
The clothes they used to wear, their favorite clothes, just don't look the same. Clothes on the rack when they go to the store, right, look different on the rack than what on their body.
Been there.
And even physical pain. They basically, it just becomes painful to move, or even not to move. Our body just starts getting inflamed.
Mhm.
And they just can't do simple things anymore, like play with the grandchildren or great grandchildren. Just simple exertions cause people to be out of breath. They're exhausted most of the day because of cellular hydration. They just don't have the energy that they need.
Mhm.
They don't sleep well. And then people surrender to comfort foods, or maybe even a little too much alcohol.
Mhm.
Mhm.
It's embarrassing when when they don't feel fit, on an airplane seat, or even it's uncomfortable when they travel sitting for a long time.
Mhm.
Anxiety and depression from visceral fat causes irritability and anger issues. And they miss social events because they just don't feel they look good enough to go. They don't feel
Yeah.
like they're themselves.
Yeah. No question. And you lose a sense of self.
Quite a list.
Yeah.
It
Gosh,
sure
Doug.
is. Well, I just saying, we shed a lot of tears together when we start talking. When people have success at Fast Fit, then they reveal all these things that I didn't know when we first sat down.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Let's talk about some of your success stories. Some of these people we're going to show right now came in because of those reasons that you just mentioned. Let's talk about the Wilsons.
Yeah, I love the Wilson story. The Wilsons came in, and Taurus, he did a little bit of exercise, but his wife Clara just refused to exercise. She just hate the thought of it. So with very little exercise, just going out for a walk, she lost 5 inches off her belly button.
Wow.
16.4 pounds of pure fat.
Wow.
Yay.
20% of her visceral fat. That's 1/5 of her visceral fat
Great.
was gone.
Mm-hmm.
You can tell by the photos, looks like an entirely different person.
Mhm.
And her husband Taurus, 10 pounds of pure fat, also lost 5 inches off his belly button. And they're both ex-military, and they just shared with me the difference on how they feel. The energy. They're able to do things that they're enjoying life much better than they used to.
Which
So
is
it's so
awesome.
much fun to hear these stories.
No question. And the
Nice.
one thing with Fast Fit, you do things differently. I think people, they might hear sculpting, they might think, oh,
Mm-hmm.
is this a surgery or something? Nothing to do with that. What makes Fast Fit just different than the rest of the products that are out there?
Well, that's a great question. And basically, the technology benefits your health. So you're not sacrificing your health. You're actually improving your health, boosting your immune system. Increased energy. We have much more energy because of better cellular hydration. We sleep better. You know, the less desire for comfort foods is really cool because people just don't have those cravings anymore.
Yeah.
Reduction
Yeah.
of visible cellulite, increased metabolism. If you really want to lose fat and keep it off, you have to increase your metabolism. That's exactly what we do at FastFit. Because we don't have those starvation diets, you can keep your muscle mass while you lose that fat and improves your metabolism. And that's truly the fountain of youth. And one thing people always talk about is mental clarity and better focus. So, hey, there's many more, but we're short on time. I get it. But just some of the things that we really can enjoy when people come to FastFit.
No question.
Doug, thank you so much. That's awesome. Really quick, your special offer, you are offering double sessions.
We absolutely are. So all 4 locations are now open. So we're offering double sessions as long as you call today, mention the Morning Blend, and we're set your appointment, but we're going to give you double sessions. Whatever package you buy, we're going to double it.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Take advantage. Do
Thanks,
it now.
buddy.
It's great having you, Doug. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Have a great day.
You as well. Call 1-800-FASTFIT or go to fastfitbodysculpting.com. Take advantage of that double sessions offer for today only. 4 locations throughout the valley. And FastFit Body Sculpting, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.